From the main menu, go to Service, then select the vehicle's make, model, and year. We have two different options here. We have the OBD relearn and the manual relearn. The manual relearn steps will put the vehicle into relearn mode, and then you can activate each sensor to send the vehicle's IDs to the vehicle's ECU. So what we're going to do is we are going to do an OBD relearn to cut down on some steps and save some time. As you can see, the steps are shown for the OBD relearn. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to activate each sensor. Be sure to hold the tool's antenna to the sidewall and then press the green button to activate each sensor, starting with the left front, right front, right rear, and left rear sensors. As you can see, all sensor information is shown on the tool. Press OK to continue. Next, we're going to plug the OBD2 module to the tool. Then we're going to turn the ignition on and plug the OBD2 module to the vehicle's DLC. Next, press OK to write the IDs to the vehicle's ECU.